Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be checking out Tia Mowry's style. Let's get started. First dress is white with pink shoes. She looks very cute. This dress is really nice for the summer. Then we have this floral dress. It's a great dress for the summer. She looks very happy here. And we have these black pants and black dress. This is a very nice style for going out. Here she's having fun with this black dress. Her hair's blown in the wind and it looks great. Here's more casual look with plaid on plaid with sneakers. It looks really nice. Here she's dressing in black and white dress. Great fall look. There's a more casual look here. Sneakers, jeans and jackets. Hair on the top. Then we have this Hawaiian dress. The fur behind here, and it's a very great look. Here's a more work look. We're going to work. It just has black and white stripes and black skirt. This is a nice fall dress. Pretty flowers on it. Very casual look. This is if you want to have a sexy date night out in town. She has this leather dress and we have stripes and stripes on it. Yes, this look is very nice. Here's a more casual look. And she has this burgundy dress with sneakers on. This look is very nice. Here is a more casual look. She looks like she's ready to go out. Here we have a royal blue dress. And a very nice look for her. Wow, this look is amazing. Has her legs showing. Like she's ready to go party. Here we have some cute boots. And this cute dress. And last we have her in this jacket and this pink dress with boots. Very nice look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next